In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cache files in Opera Browser. If websites are loading oddly, not updating, or feeling sluggish, clearing the cache is a quick fix. The cache is a temporary storage area where Opera saves images and site data to speed up browsing. Over time, that data can become outdated or take up space, so giving it a refresh can solve many page loading issues. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Make sure you're in the main window and not inside a private window, since the steps are designed for the standard browsing view. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This opens Opera's Settings panel, where you can adjust how the browser behaves and manages your data. In the Settings panel, scroll until you find Privacy and Security, then click it. This section holds the tools that control your browsing data, permissions, and overall safety features. Now, choose Delete Browsing Data. A window will appear with options that let you decide exactly what to remove. Focus on the time range at the top. If you're troubleshooting a recent problem, last hour or last 24 hours is a gentle choice. If you want a deeper cleanup, pick last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Under the data types, make sure cached images and files is selected. This specifically targets the cache without touching your saved passwords or bookmarks. If you don't want to be signed out of sites, avoid selecting cookies. When you're confident in your choices, click Delete Data to confirm. Give Opera a moment to finish. The progress is usually quick, but larger caches can take a bit longer. Afterward, reload any tabs you had open. The first load might be slightly slower as Opera rebuilds the cache with fresh files, and then performance should improve. That's it. You've successfully cleared the cache in Opera. For best results, consider doing this occasionally or whenever a site looks broken or won't update properly.